reborn for a new era. It's not just a supercar, it's a revolution on wheels. For the first time ever, Lamborghini brings together a naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 electric motors creating a masterpiece of power and precision. This is the future, without forgetting its roaring past. Under its sculpted carbon fiber skin lies the heart of a beast, a 6.5-liter V12 engine that alone produces 813 horsepower. But that's just the beginning. With the support of 3 electric motors the Revuelto unleashes a jaw-dropping 1015 horsepower in total. The result? A 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed that rockets beyond 350 km/h. This is Lamborghini performance, redefined for the hybrid age. Every line, every edge of the Revuelto's design serves a purpose. It's inspired by fighter jets, sculpted by aerodynamics, and perfected by Italian craftsmanship. The iconic Y-shaped light signature the sharp air intakes, and the floating rear wing create both aggression and elegance. Inside, the cockpit feels like stepping into a spacecraft, minimalist yet luxurious. You're surrounded by premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and digital displays that respond instantly to your touch. This is not just driving, it's commanding a machine built for adrenaline. But the Revuelto isn't just about speed, it's also about intelligence. Thanks to Lamborghini's new hybrid system the car can glide silently on electric power, or unleash its full fury with the press of a pedal. It offers 13 different drive modes from pure electric calm to track-ready chaos. Every mode, every motion, engineered to connect car and driver as one. The Lamborghini Revuelto marks a bold step into the future, a future powered by innovation, emotion, and the unmistakable sound of a V12. It's not just a supercar, it's the evolution of the bull, louder, smarter, and faster than ever before. Lamborghini Revuelto, the hybrid revolution has begun.